The Harrisonburg Rockingham Drug Treatment Court is an alternative approach for people with chronic drug or alcohol addiction.
The 2-year program has about 20 participants. Monica Casey has more on how the court is changing lives here in the Valley. Monica?
Before December of 2017, for these offenders, jail was the only option. This court is a community effort at all levels, from Judge Bruce Albertson to Commonwealth's Attorney Marcia Garst, members of law enforcement and the Community Service Board, and the defense attorney for each applicant. The participants are classified as high risk, high need.
Being sober and doing the right thing, and I've seen how it pays off, you know what I mean, and everything good that comes from it, and I like that.
More than 20 years of drug addiction.
In and out of trouble, in and out of prison.
Jimmy Gibson was taken from his biological parents at a young age.
So I guess drugs was my way out. So I started using them when I was about 12.
And was in and out of foster care and group homes.
That's just all I've known I'm 35 now.
His longest stint in prison, 4.5 years.
I was addicted to anything that changed my thought process. You know, anything, didn't matter what it was, whether it was marijuana or meth or pills.
The 5 months in this program, the longest he's ever been clean.
You have to change the people, places, and things if you really want it. In this program, you have to want it.
Each plan is tailored to that person.
You can incarcerate people repeatedly, but they're not getting better.
And their individual addiction.
This is a structured environment where they report and actually come in and see court services.
Commonwealth's Attorney Marcia Garst traveled to other jurisdictions studying their court systems.
Our jail is very crowded.
She calls the drug treatment court a bargain.
This is an opportunity for nonviolent offenders to actually be out, be getting better, and contributing. And to make a situation where you're not a burden on taxpayers.
The numbers back that up. Incarceration in the county jail costs about $60 a day per inmate. Rockingham County Sheriff Brian Hutchison says thousands of dollars are spent on medication each month on top of the cost to house, feed, and transport inmates. The program has multiple phases.
Sometimes when you're so drug addicted, you kind of forget what's right and what's wrong.
With classes such as moral recognition therapy.
You go back and learn what you were taught in kindergarten and Sunday school.
Participants are drug tested twice a week.
People that, I've seen go to jail repeatedly for this problem finally clean. It's a big bonus to see that in my position when usually I don't get to see a happy ending.
And that's what Gibson is hoping for, now that he's seeing things with clear vision after hearing his family's cries for help.
And my youngest was like, Daddy, please don't go away again. Please don't go away again. And I have my fiance, she's in my corner. She is an amazing woman.
Garst hopes to eventually double the court size to 40 members thanks to a grant from the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration. She also wants to focus on housing for participants.